Before you can print credentials, you need to configure your card printer. We're installing the SD160 card printer for our credential program. You can access the installation program for the SD160 printer driver from the Support and Driver section on datacard.com. Click the link for Datacard XPS Card Printer Driver. After you read the license agreement, click I agree to install the driver. At the prompt, we'll click Run. The XPS Card Printer Installer dialog gives you the important notice to not plug in your printer until instructed. If your printer is connected to your workstation, disconnect it now or the program will not work. Click OK to continue. At the Welcome screen, choose the installation option that applies to your setup. For this example, we are choosing Install a USB printer. The system automatically prepares the computer. At the prompt, plug in the USB data cable. The program then installs the USB driver. Next, you have the option to install the plug-in for your ID software. We click Yes and then click Next to proceed with the installation. Read the software license agreement. To accept the agreement and then proceed with the installation, select the checkbox and then click Next. Click Install to install the plug-in. After the plug-in is installed, click Finish. After the installation is complete, you have the option to print a sample card. Click Exit to close the program. In the next section, we'll set up True Credential to print to our SD160 card printer.